Along with the filled-in application form, the following details/documents are required for the application process. 1. Passport format photograph with a light background where the complete face is captured. A valid passport with 3 months of validity from the departure date. The passport must have at least 2 blank pages. Copy of the confirmed airline ticket for the return journey. Travel visa insurance policy, which is valid in all Schengen countries. In the event of visa application rejection, the applicant can claim for a refund after canceling it. Proof of accommodation. A valid employment contract and other documents as specified by the particular Schengen country. Working, employment, Schengen visa validity. The applicants are advised to apply for a working, employment, Schengen visa at least 2 months prior to the planned travel date. The visa issued on a long-term scheme which entitles the visa holder to all other benefits in the Schengen zone as it applies to any other citizen of the Schengen zone. Transit Schengen visa. The citizens of certain countries are required to obtain the transit Schengen visa in order to change flights within the Schengen zone. This type of visa is applicable for travelers who are not entering the Schengen territory but changing an aeroplane while traveling from a non-Schengen country to another non-Schengen country. This type of visa falls under the short-term visa category. Is it possible to apply for a Schengen visa in a country where the applicant is not a resident? Yes, as long as the applicant is able to explain the reason for doing so, the application will be permissible. Is it possible to extend the Schengen visa beyond the specified days? Yes, it is possible to extend the duration of Schengen visa, however, it cannot exceed the specified 90 days period. The applicant will be required to apply for the visa again from the country of his/her residence. What types of questions are asked at the consulate/embassy during the visa interview? The information pertaining to the travel, along with personal details, form the majority of the questions asked during the visa interview. What does the travel visa insurance cover? The travel visa insurance usually covers medical emergencies, repatriation of remains, injury, disablement, overseas funeral expenses, lost/stolen/damaged baggage, etc. Can I travel within the Schengen area with the residency permit? Yes, the residency permit allows the individual to freely travel throughout the Schengen zone without the need of any additional documents. Is it possible to travel to more than one Schengen country with the same visa? Yes, the visa holder is allowed to travel to more than one Schengen country with the same visa unless issued under the Limited Territorial Validity Visas (LTV) category. Who needs a Schengen visa? The citizens of certain countries are required to obtain the Schengen visa in order to enter any of the country listed under the Schengen zone. What's the validity of the Schengen visa? Depending on the type of the visa, the validity may differ. However, visa holders can visit the Schengen zone for a maximum of 90 days under the common type of visa issued by Schengen consulates/embassies. What is the difference between transit visa and airport transit visa? The transit visa allows the holder to transit within the Schengen zone through car, coach, plane, etc. for a maximum of 5 days to a non-Schengen country. The airport transit visa allows the holders to transit through the international airport of a Schengen country without entering the Schengen territory when they are changing a flight during their course of travel from a non-Schengen country to another non-Schengen country.